Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today we will show you how to make a delicious and tasty fried rice. The tools and ingredients that will be used in making this fried rice include the leftover rice, sauce, sweet soy sauce, eggs, salt or seasoning, onion and garlic, and also a mortar. Or Indonesian people call it ulekan. Let's get right into the process of making fried rice.
Step 1. Peel the garlic and shallot from the skin that interferes with the process of making our fried rice until everything is peeled from the skin.
Step 2. Sprinkle salt and flavoring tomato sauce and sweet soy sauce into and stir until evenly distributed to all parts of the rice.
Step 3. After finishing with the peeling of shallots and garlic, we must stir the shallots and garlic with added salt or flavoring and must stir until smooth as silk.
Step 4. If it is smooth, turn on the stove and heat the cooking oil until it is hot as the current season.
Step 5. Saute the finely ground spices until you smell a fragrant aroma and then drizzle with the eggs that have been prepared since the beginning of this video.
Step 6. If it feels right, just put the seasoned rice into the hot skillet and stir fry until it is cooked.
Step 7. And if it's cooked, prepare a clean and hygienic plate and place the fried rice on the clean and hygienic plate. And the delicious and tasty fried rice is ready to be served. And how about the taste of fried rice? Let's get try it.